Now, we've all seen these 2002 quarters, and most of the time, when we see them, we think, oh wow, these are worth a lot of money, when in reality, a lot of them are not worth that much money. But in this video, I'm going to show you some 2002 Ohio statehood quarters that sold for a lot of money. Now, just imagine coming across one of these coins and being able to turn a 25-cent quarter into a lot more money, just like the coins in this video. So up first, we have a 2002 S 25-cent Ohio clad proof coin graded by NGC, a proof 70. Now that's a bit of a mouthful, but let me break it down really quickly for you. So the S mint mark there is going to be seen on the front bottom right corner of the coin. The S little mint mark there stands for the San Francisco Mint where this coin was minted. Most of the time, S mint marked coins are the ones that will be proof coins. Now, what is a proof coin exactly? If you look at this coin, you'll see that the backdrop of the coin is going to have a mirror appearance to it. You can almost see a reflection, and the foreground of the coin, where you see Washington's face there and the text, that is going to have a more matte appearance to it. But the biggest reason why this coin sold for a lot of money is because it graded at the 70 grade. Now that is the perfect grade. I want to stress to you guys that it is really hard to get that perfect grade, and in this instance, if you have a 2002 25-cent proof coin just like this, the chances of it being this high of a grade is really low. So I advise against getting it graded, because even if it grades at the perfect grade of 70, this coin sold for $51, which in reality is a lot of money, but it's so challenging to get that 70 grade. But let's jump into this coin that sold for $184, and here's why. So essentially the same thing here. It's important to know also that the time that you sell your coins really matters, and the overall eye appeal. And lastly, the type of metal composition that your coin has. The last coin was clad, composing of 75% copper and 25% nickel. This one is silver, containing 90% silver and 10% copper. Silver as a baseline is just going to be more valuable of a coin. So same exact coin, different metal composition, same grade, and this coin sold for $184. Again, another silver coin here, graded at the same grade of a proof 70. I know I'm going over 70 grades, and it almost appears that they're easy to get, but that's not the reality. But because this one was sold at a time period when the market was really high, this one sold for $563. So this is the big one here. This one sold for $3,525, and this is what you really want to be looking out for, because the last three coins I showed you were proof coins. Now this coin looks like your typical run-of-the-mill 2002 Ohio quarter. If you look on the front bottom right corner of the coin, you will see the D mint mark standing for the Denver Mint. This one was graded by NGC, a mint state 69. Now the NGC census only had one of these coins at the time of the sale. That means this is a top population coin. There are no coins graded higher than this coin. Again, this is not a proof coin, which is why it's the highest graded coin example known when it was sold. That's why if you have a coin that's in really good condition like these coins here, it could sell for a lot of money. I mean, if this coin was to have gotten the 70 grade, it would have sold for so much more money than $3,525. But for all of these things combined, again, this coin sold for $3,525. Hit that subscribe button. It really does help out the YouTube algorithm. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you in the next video.